We live in a world that each person sees and witnesses their own reality. And no matter what happens in this world, we have no idea what lies beyond for each and every one of us. I sit here and I look forward and I see those who care and who are there for me, and I'm there for them. So, it's with my great pleasure to let you know you won't get away. I won't let you get too far. No, it's okay. You've done your damage. You've asked for this. I've done everything I could. And you just won't let it end. So, I ask you, are you ready? Think wise, because if you are, you're already too late.